Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of Happy Meal. I have Happy Meal today, so if you're a planner girl, cash stuffer, you like accessories, this video just might be for you. So let's go ahead and open up my first package. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Hopefully all is well. Let me know if you're new here. Let me know. Leave a blue heart if you're new to my channel. And if you're new, I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Karen. You can call me Karen, Miss Frugal. Totally up to you. I'm a planner girl. I cash stuff. I budget. And then I share a boxing of Happy Meal that I receive. Typically, my Happy Meal is planner items. I could get some budget items and then pen testing and reviews like that. So hopefully something that I do will interest you. And Bestie, if you've been here before, welcome back. And let me go ahead and take the contents out of this bubble mailer too, so I get right into my Happy Meal. So I have Happy Meal from Krafted by Coco and Roll Shower Collection. Now, my Happy Meal from Krafted by Coco, this will be my very first purchase from this shop. And both shops are small businesses, and I'll make sure they have their information in the description, so please support them. If you haven't purchased anything from either of one of them before, check them out. But for Roll Shower Collection, I do have a coupon code, Karen10. I'm sorry, Karen15, so you can save 15% off on Roll Shower Collection. Alright, so this pink box right here is Krafted by Coco. So I found Krafted by Coco on Instagram. Not sure if they're on YouTube or any other platforms, but I found them on Instagram, and you're gonna see what caught my eye once I get this package open. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let me move this to the side, and hopefully everything will be in view so you can see all the goodies. Alright, so this is a freebie. Oh, look at that mini. I'm so excited because that mini baby pearl clip, that little blue clip, that's a freebie because I didn't order that. And it is just so adorable. And I don't have any planner clips that's made like this. So this would be my first time getting a planner cut with this type of style. So I am excited, and I have some freebies. Let me get it open. Alright, here we go right here. So this little baby pearl clip, so cute. So cute. Alright, let's see what else we got here. This looks like a savings challenge here. This is very unique and different. And this is a savings challenge as well. So my phone stopped recording, but these are the items that I got from Krafted by Coco. Absolutely beautiful. So because I stopped recording, I missed a whole lot of things. So let me flip back through the sticker book from Rose Shadow Collection. I'm going to start from the back so you can see. So her new sticker books includes the functional stickers as well as the journaling stickers. And I love how she has decided to combine them together. And it just includes a variety of stickers in it. And I'll show you all the rest of the items that I got from Rose Shadow Collection. Alright, so we did get a notebook with this as well. So this is the Camellia Boulevard collection from Rose Shadow Collection. And here is the notebook. I like the design on it. And based on the card, we got 386 notebooks with this. And so in this bundle, it includes the sticker book that I just showed you. Here is the second notebook here. In this graph. And I need to open up the last one. And that's this one right here. But yeah, so I had the sticker book, the 3 A6 notebooks, It has a pin loop. So here is the design of this one. And this one is similar to the postcard that we got in the box. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize that I had stopped recording. But I will show you all the things. But yeah, so here are the 3 notebooks. Here is the sticker book here. Alright. Let me show you the other things. Here is the pen. Alright, let me pull these things to the side. This is the pen loop there with the camellia flower. Here is the purse magnetic pen. It is a Chanel themed box. Okay, and this cute little bear. The bear is so precious. And then we have this cute signature charm. Absolutely beautiful. And then also this ruler came with the box. So that's everything that came with the stationery box. And here's the postcard. So I'll probably end up making this postcard right here. The thank you card into like a dashboard for my CP Petite. And also I got this pen. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Lena. This is not included in the box, but if you want any of the items, check out her shop and save 15% off with my code Karen15. And I did end up getting the dashboard as well. Alright, but let me see. Should I go ahead and add my magnetic pen to my Louis? Not sure if I'm gonna add it yet. But if you're ever wondering what we do with the magnetic pens that we receive from Rose Shadow Collection, typically I would add it to my binder. Like I could add it here to the front, or I could add it somewhere else in this planner. Let's see. But yeah, I could add it somewhere else. But right now I'm not using my Louis, so I'll probably just end up placing it with my stash. Alright, so that's all the things. I have one more thing right here, and this is the dashboard. And I wanted to change up my dashboard for the month of August. So I definitely received this on time so I can change up my setup with my current planner that I'm using, which is my CP Petite. And this is this right here, because I wanted to go with the blue and orange theme, but I need to hole punch this. So, and I don't have my hole puncher with me at the moment, so I will have to get it. But yes, I'm planning on placing it here. I plan on changing out the dashboard. Cause for the month of July, I had the Chanel dashboard from Rose Shadow Collection to go up my blue theme, and I'm thinking about adding this here. But let me know your thoughts. But like I said, I have to hole punch it first. And my blue heart planner clip that I got that to go with my CP Petite because I'm going with the blue theme. And blue is my favorite color, so. And I don't really have any blue clips. So when I saw the blue heart clip, I thought it'd be perfect for the CP Petite. So not sure how it would look with it, but I'm going to add it to see. But before I get to that, I guess I should move all of these out of the way so I can set up my CP Petite with the dashboard and with my new planner clip. And let me put all of my Rose Shadow Collection stationery box away. Now I know Lena with Rose Shadow Collection, she has a new release box, her 10th year anniversary box that releases, I think it's on Friday. I'm not sure what the price is. I did see some of the sneak peek items that she has. If you're not following her on Instagram or TikTok, make sure you check her out. But here is the clip that I was thinking about adding. Now, I do have the charm, but for the month of July, I ended up removing the CP Petite cover where I wanted to place the charm on there. And I might end up adding a cover back for the month of August so I can use that charm. But for the meantime, let me go ahead and get this heart paperclip out of the packaging because it is taped. And if you have any recommendations for anyone that makes these type of planner charms or planner accessories, please feel free to leave that information in the description. Also, who makes nice dashboards as well. And if you know any shops that make CP Petite dashboards, because that's my current size of planner, CP Petite. And then I do have an A5 spiral. So if you know anyone that makes spiral dashboards or CP Petite, leave that information in the comments, even like a tip in, because I can hole punch it myself. Just let me know in the comments. So let me move my H band off of here and let's see, where can I place this new planner clip that I got? And I probably need to remove the ones that I already have. Now, it sticks out so far and the CP Petite is so small. I might end up have to use this clip with another planner. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Alright, so bestie, thank you for joining me for today's Happy Mail. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and engage with me in the comments. Toodles!